Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and this is the BTC price prediction for the coming few days ahead, and if possible a week. All right, and it's quite interesting because BTC has actually been consolidating within the range of 28,000 to 30,600. All right, for the immediate short term, but a few days ago that support was actually broken, and I'm going to show you right now in the 15 minutes time frame so that you see it clearly for yourself. Right here on TradingView, let's go back to 15 minutes time frame, and then you see the support we actually lost. That was 28,949. All right, we lost this support a couple of days ago, and we are still trying to recover from that support. And if we do not break above that support currently, we will be heading back to 28,450. All right, and if it still happens that we do not bounce back from that support, I'm very sorry, BTC may just be heading back to 26,000, because that is the next major key area or key zone of support. So right now, I'm going to go over to Binance and show you clearly what the 3-day time frame is actually telling us, because to me, that is one of the most key time frames for BTC. In fact, the entire crypto space, because this shows you a combination of 3 days in one candlestick. All right, so I'm going to head over to Binance right now. We're going to analyze that and also go over to TradingView again and check what the BTC Dominance is telling us. Let's go, guys. So guys, right here, this is the BTC USDT perpetual pair on Binance, and you can see right here we'll have a key support. We'll have a key support level at about 28,500. But if we do break below or close a candle, most likely a bearish candle below that support zone, 28,500 to 28,700, it is most likely that BTC is heading back to 26,000 and may also lose that support and fall back to 22,000 in the immediate short term. All right, now I'm going to actually show you why I actually say so. Look right here, this is a 3 days time frame, and you can see you can backtest this on your own and see what it is I'm saying. Whenever we find a bearish engulfing pattern at very critical stages, most likely a wedge pattern or a triangle pattern, and then we find the bearish engulfing, it is most likely that sellers are actually dominant and are desperately pushing the price down. This has repeated itself in history. So you can backtest this on your own on the 3 days time frame and see what I'm saying. We'll have a bearish engulfing right here. We'll also have a bearish engulfing right here. We'll also have a bearish engulfing right here. We also have a bearish engulfing right here after a wedge was formed. So you see, most likely when we form that particular candlestick pattern in a wedge set of trend pattern, it is most likely that we're heading towards the downside. All right, we're definitely heading towards the downside, and the next support we should be looking out for is 26,631. All right, but this is not to say that it's a financial advice. It's just a basic analysis of what may likely occur. It may turn around that buyers may step in to push the price upwards, which we definitely don't see coming anytime soon. But still, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. So I'm going to head over to the BTC Dominance, and then we'll actually see what BTC is doing against altcoins. Stick around to the end of this video. We're not done yet. So guys, this is actually the market cap of the BTC Dominance, And guess what? The BTC dominance is rising, and BTC itself is actually what? Falling down. So what does this actually mean? This simply means that altcoins are in serious trouble. I mean, serious trouble, because money will be flowing out from altcoins into BTC reserves very soon. In other words, the price of BTC may go down, but the end may be near. In other words, a pump is most likely going to occur, but we do not know when, because money is already flowing out from altcoins back into BTC. This means that people now see BTC as a clear means to buy the dip. People are going to what? Buy the dip. So more money has been flowing out of altcoins into BTC dip. All right. Basically, this is just the simple analogy you should understand. So don't be surprised if you see your favorite altcoins losing so much volume and value in the coming days. Right? Very simple, guys. So this is the BTC price prediction. On this video, this is MJ Crypto. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell icon so you get updated when we post interesting videos like this. I'll see you a couple of days from now. Still on research, getting more indicators for setups for you guys, right? And if you do need mentorship and signals, do not forget to smash the contact button in the description of this video. That will lead you straight into my DM. There is a bonus offer currently going on. Cheers, guys. Love you all. Peace out. Have a good time.